Hi, good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Today I am going to teach you about present tense. In present tense, to complete the concept of present tense, you will have to know these all things which is given here in this board. You can see here, this is recognition, this is HB, this is basic HB chart, this is a structure, this is sequence, and the last one is practices. For your kind information, I would like to tell you, recognition is very important, and it is the first step of present tense. Recognition, which means पहचान. If in the last of any sentences is found है, हो, हैं, whom, etc., then it is called the recognition of present tense. अर्थात यदि किसी हिंदी वाक्य के अंत में है, हो, हैं, हूं इत्यादि पाया जाए या पाया जाता है तो उसे प्रेजेंट टेंस कहते हैं या प्रेजेंट टेंस का पहचान कहते हैं. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
And just listen everyone, recognition is very important. The next one is HB, helping verb. In 24 HBs, here in this present tense, 3 HBs are used, and those are is, am, are, and the third is basic HB chart. Basic HB chart, you can see here. I would like to just tell you about the basic HB chart. Here in basic HB chart, there are two things. First is the person, and second is the subject. This is the section of person. And just listen everyone. For your kind of information, I would like to also tell you, there are 3 kinds of persons. This is the first person, this is the second person, and this is the third person. In 2 kinds of subject, this is singular subject and this is plural subject. This basic HB chart always tells about the function. It means how HB is used with the subject. With I, the singular subject of first person, always used am. With we, the plural subject of first person, is always used are. With you, the plural subject of second person is always used are. And with singular subject of third person, he, she, it is always used is. And with plural subject of third person, they is always used are. And with name is, with names are. So this is the function of basic HB chart of present tense, and it is very important. Just listen everyone. If you will be able to understand the function of basic HB chart of present tense, then you can clear the problems of present tense. You can't be in problem. If the function of this basic HB chart will be always in your mind, then you can crack the examination. There will be no problems, and there will be only results and results. And the fourth is the structure, which is subject plus is, am, are plus object. And this structure of a present tense shows the agreement of subject and verb. The agreement of subject and verb. And the fifth is the sequence. You know, in present tense, sequence is very important, because we make sentences in code 1 to 8. And if you will be able to know the sequence, then you can also do the practices. And your practices may be easy if you will be able to complete the sequence. Sequence, it is done only with the help of a subject and helping verb. I am going to take example. Hello everyone, just listen carefully. Sequence with I am, I aren't, am I, aren't I, why am I, why aren't I, how am I, how aren't I. With we are, we aren't, are we, aren't we, why are we, why aren't we, how are we, how aren't we. With you are, you aren't, are you, aren't you, why are you, why aren't you, how are you, how aren't you. Like this, you will have to complete a sequence with he. In he is, he isn't, is he, isn't he, why is he, why isn't he, how isn't he. Like that, you can also complete with she, it, they, name, names. If it means if you will be able to complete the sequence in 1 to 8 codes, then your practices may go smoothly. There may be not problem. It means you will be free from problems. So sequence and practices. The last one, as here you can see the practices. Practices is very, very important. You have studied the everything which is given here. It is not enough. What is enough? Enough is that if you make maximum practices, then the whole thing will be always in your mind and it will give you benefit. So just listen carefully. If these all things will be in your mind, then you can crack the examination. If in your examination any type of question related to present tense will be asked, then you can get the maximum marks. So I am just giving you in advance best of luck. I am saying best of luck for your examination and for your maximum marks. So this was the all things about present tense, and as I have taught you, it means the concept of a present tense should be clear. I think you shouldn't feel any kinds of problem in present tense. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. So you have to keep all things in your practice session. Thank you. Thanks again. Bye bye.